Hey friends, welcome to the Craft Cottage Market. It's May here. I'm so happy to have you and I am truly grateful for your support. By joining my coffee community, you've become a part of my cozy, crafty cottage filled with inspiration, gentle design, and a shared love for crafting. As a member, you'll receive our exclusive digital design papers each month. You'll also get some special contents that I create that are special for my coffee members, sneak peeks of the upcoming collections, and behind the scenes from my creative journeys. Everything I create, everything I share with you is done with care, intention, and heart. Crafting has always been a place of comfort for me. It's a place where I come to heal, and I hope that what I create brings you the same joy in your craft space. Now, whether you're crafting or whether you're doing any type of scrapbook, card making, journals, handmade gifts, whatever it is, or if you're just simply unwinding, I just want you to know that you definitely belong here. Thank you so much for believing in my small business, and thank you so much for supporting our creative journey. I also want to go over through some of the perks that members get when they sign up for our VIP Cottage Creator. Now, if you decide to join our VIP Cottage Creator, the membership is $10 a month. We do require that you have a 3 month commitment, but after the 3 month commitment, you're welcome to cancel at any times. Each month, you'll get anywhere from 25 to 30 sheets of coordinating designer paper, whether it's pattern paper or design paper. You'll get anywhere from 25 to 30 sheets. And within those sheets, you will also be getting 6 to 8 matching ephemera sheets, whether it's for tags, little stickers that you can make, you know, little doohickeys, whatever it is that, we put together. It'll be a total of 33 to 34 sheets total to include your ephemera sheets. Now, dates to remember. The 29th of each month is when we release the new collections. So, because it's our first collection, we've released it before the 29th of the month. But just know that going forward, each month the new releases will be done on the 29th. Now, members will get a sneak peek of what we're working on, but the new release will not be until the 29th of each month. And another date to remember is that on the 7th of each month, I will release a video tutorial of what I've created with the collection. So that's another date that you need to remember. Members get a 10% discount to our shop here on Coffee, and that is where I will be uploading random digital stuff that I might make, or maybe I might have some vintage, ephemeras that I have in my collection, or anything else that I randomly pick and decide to upload in our store. But just know that VIP cottage creators do get 10% off our shop. Another thing that's very important for you to know is that on the 29th of each month, the new collection is released and the old collection will no longer be available. And once we've done that, we're going to take the collection. It'll be only available on the shop for non-members to purchase. Of course, non-members can purchase it at the regular price, but after the 29th, if you do not notify me in writing that you were unable, because of whatever reason, to download the collection, it will be up on the store, and without knowing, you would have to probably choose to purchase it. But if you send me a message, I understand that sometimes we're so busy that we're unable to download it at once, because it's happened to me. And I would hate for you to lose it. So just send me a message and say, hey, I was out of town, I was busy, I was this, whatever, and I will be happy to send you the collection. But if you don't, then it will be in the store at regular price. I would have no way of knowing unless you write to me. Um, if you decide to cancel, just let me know ahead of time. Hey, after my 3 months, I do plan to cancel, no problems, no, you can cancel anytime after the third month. Also, these are digital downloads. If by any chance you don't have a printer and you want me to print these for you and mail it for an extra fee, just again, email me, send me a message, let me know, and I would be happy to do that for an extra fee. Um, these are for your personal use, so you can't use them in your workshop unless you purchase a business license or a commercial license to be able to do that from me. That way I know what the product is being used for. You can definitely, make something and sell it at the craft fairs or whatever, but you cannot use the material to teach a class, because that would be going against our copyright. Anyway, so once you become a VIP Cottage creator, you'll get exclusive contents, exclusive requests. And what does that include? Well, an exclusive request is, for instance, I was just asked if I can make a sticky memo sheet that was blue and make it a little bit more boyish. Well, I went ahead and did that for the person. So you get some exclusive little perks if you decide that you want a dog and you want, that little square a little bit different. As long as it's not something extraordinarily or something, off the wall. I would be happy to maybe make some tweaks here and there and make you some exclusive things if that's what you want. Just make sure you comment on one of the posts on our members board and let me know what it is that you're looking for. And also, aside from your 10% discount, you have that. You have your video tutorial, but you'll also have a VIP digital bonus of my choice, whatever I randomly throw out there, and I will post it out there for you guys to have. Yeah, so that's pretty much what the VIP members get for their $10, and I think that's a fabulous deal because I know I've paid more than that for some monthly stuff that I've signed up for, and I hope that you guys take advantage of this, and I hope that you love our collection, and I'm so thankful and happy to have you here. So let's see what we all create with this beautiful collection, and our next video is going to be a video tutorial where I show you how to make some sticky pads out of this beautiful collection. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be just an extra little thing that I do because the actual tutorial will be released on the 7th. But beforehand, I will be making a small little video for you guys to enjoy this little sheet here. Anyway, enough talking. Thank you so much. Again, I appreciate you guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.